Okay, so hi, I am Janki Varni and I work as a project design manager for water recycling business profile, and I work in West region, particularly in pea removal schemes. So my work is I have a team of multidisciplinary engineers, process engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer, and mechanical engineer, along with a BIM technician. We all help deliver a project right from its design stage to construction stage, and I manage the engineering design through and through. I am a civil engineer by profession and specialized in environmental engineering. So my I would say my inspiration is my dad. He is a civil engineer himself, and he has a specialization in water sector. So I remember my earlier conversations right from when I was in first grade. It was always about how a civil engineer should be, what are the civil engineer's duties and everything. And I think I was quite younger. I used to not get most of it, but that was my starting point. And then I remember when I was in grade sixth, my father, he took me to an industrial effluent treatment plant, and he was showing me the treatment, how the treatment works and everything. And I remember it was so hilarious that I was continuously laughing him, teasing him that the plant smells and it stings and everything. But I think it was a full circle moment from there, and now I work in water sector itself. One of the challenges has been building confidence in environments where women are underrepresented. I feel that very few women opt for engineering as a profession, and in my early career, I used to feel that I had to work twice to establish myself, and I had to keep learning and growing continuously. But over time, I feel that if I stick to a path, then it became more easier and simpler to deal with. And now that I am in Anglian Water and at WIN, so I believe that my skills are truly valued over here, and the right company, the right environment, it makes huge difference to women. So yes, I am pretty happy that I am in Anglian Water currently, and I would like to give the advice I would like to give to other women pursuing engineering as career is, I would say, keep growing, keep consistently learning. Don't be afraid that there will be challenges and any hurdles. You'll just get past to it. Just be consistent, and hopefully you'll be able to make it through.